Hello, and welcome to KraftyLab, where teams connect through innovative and virtual experiences. Let's get crafty! Is your team feeling a little tight and stressed in the body? Give them the gift of serenity through yoga. It can be a one-time event or a standing appointment that aims to ensure ongoing well-being for your teams. We offer two options, Vinyasa yoga and Yin yoga, both of which will lead to increased productivity and overall morale. During our 60-minute Vinyasa yoga session, your team will wind down and restore their bodies in gentle poses, connecting breath with movement. This is a great de-stressor for the busiest of teams. Our 60-minute Yin Yoga Session offers long-held passive postures, circular breathing, and grounding meditation. This yoga practice is a great option for teams that want to improve and increase joint circulation and flexibility, which is especially great for people sitting at their table all day. Come as you are, all ability levels are welcome to participate in either option. Our yogi will adjust to meet the needs of your team. To secure your spot, click Book Now, schedule a call, or send us an inquiry. Namaste.